Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin. I'm reviewing the Gorilla Cart today. The Gorilla Cart is essentially a replacement for your typical wheelbarrow, basically. I mean, that's really the gist of it. There are some features on this that I would say make wheelbarrows obsolete. One of the things I like about it is, first and foremost, it's kind of like a hybrid of a wheelbarrow and a wagon, right? Like the functionality of a wheelbarrow, but like with wagon, more mobile, even more mobile wagon, sort of features. So one thing that's really nice is the axis here. It goes all the way. I mean, further than like 50%. So you could like pull it sideways like this, and then obviously pull it forward. The wheels are this sort of like rubber, kind of like a car tire, as you can see. And one of the really nice aspects is if you're carrying like dirt or wood, you can load up your Gorilla Cart and then you just simply lift this and dump and then throw it back on like so and keep it moving. So the functionality is great. If you're moving, especially like dirt, mud, wood, anything like that, you're going to really enjoy this because it gives you, once again, the functionality of a wheelbarrow, but without that one wheel. The hard thing about a wheelbarrow is you have one wheel and you're trying to balance it, and you could be walking up a hill. We've all used wheelbarrows and completely lost everything in the wheelbarrow because that one tire, the load tipped right, left, whatever. That's not going to happen with the Gorilla Cart. So no lost loads, which is nice. And you still have that, same functionality of, throwing something over wood, dirt, mud, really anything. So I love this. It's amazing. It's totally worth it. The tires too are just exceptional. They can work in really any terrain, just like a wheelbarrow would. And in fact, it's easier there even because once again, the one tire with a wheelbarrow, you get caught in something, mud, dirt, you tip it over. With this, you could have one side or a portion get caught in something, and then you're dealing with, losing a load of whatever you're carrying. So with this, you just kind of keep on towing it through, and you're good. So the mobility aspect of it, they did a really great job on engineering it. Forward, backward, just going over some wood here, but yeah, forward, backward. You can kind of back it in, put it sideways. I mean, it's pretty incredible, to be honest. And it's just super functional. The mobility and moving things, it's just super functional. So yeah, highly recommend it. It's heavy duty, it lasts, and you're not gonna have to get a wheelbarrow again. And it's just gonna make moving things in your yard or work site or whatever it may be easier. So I recommend it. It's once again the Gorilla Cart. I'll link it up below in the description. You can grab these at like Home Depot, Amazon, all over really. So I'll link that up. I hope you enjoyed the review. I would say the top 3 aspects, just to recap: this feature for dumping, the mobility of it, right? Like that you can turn on a dime and kind of like move it into places, and it's just really mobile. And then the fact that you can move loads like a wheelbarrow without losing, tipping it over because you have 4 wheels. So that's not going to happen. So that's probably the top 3 aspects: dumping the load like a wheelbarrow, the mobility aspect of it being very mobile, and then just like it's steady, it's sturdy, and you're not going to lose your load of whatever you're carrying. So yeah, that's it for Gorilla Cart. I'll put a link to it below. Hope you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.